Good morning. I will tell you the story of the father, his sons, and the bundle of sticks. A parting father summoned his sons upon his time of death to give them a parting advice. He told his eldest son to bring a bundle of sticks. He told him to break the bundle of sticks. The eldest son strained and strained, but he failed. His father told him to pass the bundle to each one of his brothers. None of them succeeded to break the bundle of sticks together. His father told him, "Untie it and give one stick to each one of your brothers." His brothers and the eldest son broke the sticks quite easily. The dying father said, "There is strength in union. Sticks in a bundle cannot be broken, but sticks taken singly can be easily broken." The same applies to people. There is strength in union. His sons learned the takeaway lesson of this story, and they were together for the rest of their life. The moral of the story is very simple. Sometimes working as a team and working in union like ants and bees is the best policy against the adversity of time and the catastrophes and disasters people pass through. Being united is always the best way for strength. Have a lovely day.